Both hands. Even go slower if you need to. And then in time, you can speed it up and it'll be very comfortable. Here we go, descending. We're gonna focus on the left. What is happening? In this video, we're exploring D major. We're going to learn the notes in D major. We're going to start off with the right hand and the left hand and then both hands. I'm going to give some important tips for your technique so you can avoid awkward turns when you're learning this scale. Also, I'm including a play along where the rhythm pattern will be right hand first, half notes and then quarter notes. And then the left hand will be half notes and quarter notes, both hands, yep. Half notes and quarter notes. And then there's a little bit of a free jam if you like. And I know that might be intimidating, but I'm just going to imitate some patterns and then you can go ahead and copy them. This is an interactive video, so definitely get your phone or tablet out so you can play along with me. By the way, if you haven't checked out the C scale, you want to do that even if you know the C scale. I went over really important techniques that do apply to the G scale, which I've done, and also now we're getting into the D scale. So let's start the lesson. All right, here we are, D major scale, right hand first, but I want to make sure that everyone is aware of this. I go over in detail the C major scale and I give many extra tips that you can learn and apply to the D major scale. It will help you in the long run. So with the D major scale, like the G major, we have an F sharp. The D major, we also have an F sharp, and then we add the C sharp to D. We have two blocks when we're thinking of D major. This might be a good way to get the pattern down first. Our first one is 5. The next one is the third finger on B. Okay, and I'm going to go over right away the problem area when we're playing D major. What I've noticed is two things. One, we're not playing far enough in the keyboard. If we can play far enough in the keyboard, we can go ahead and make sure we're accurate with getting the raised keys. So here we go, slow. D, E, F sharp, thumb underhand to G. A, B, C sharp, D. So now I'm going to play it where it will look like first ascending, where my hand's not in too far on the keyboard. Here we go. F sharp, thumb underhand to G. And now I have to create a twist, an awkward twist turn to get to that edge of the key. And that is not using motion correctly. You are going to go ahead and tense up probably and just have accuracy issues down the road. Now I'll demonstrate it slow, ascending, and descending. Here we go. Thumb underhand to G. Arm weight. Back down. Third finger on F sharp. Left hand. Let's look at the blocks here. Left hand, we have the first block is 5. And then the second block, third finger on the B. Here I go. E, F sharp, G. Third finger on the B. Let's talk about B. This is the main concern. Oftentimes students will do this. So it's a similar thing before with the right hand, but different note. They twist and turn and you're not close to the raised key. So start getting used to bringing your hand in. It gets hard, I know, when you're working one hand on another hand. Here we go, left hand correctly, up and down. Make sure your hand is in the keyboard. See that? I'm exaggerating, just so you can get used to that. This is fine. Thumb underhand to A. Both hands.
Hey guys, so sorry to interrupt. If you're getting value out of this video, please hit the thumbs up button so it reaches other awesome people like you. Back to the lesson.
So similar to the other scales, we're first going to focus on the right hand, and then we're going to focus on the left hand. So I'm going to go slow. D, E, F sharp, right hand to G, like that. Left hand, third finger B, C sharp, D, C sharp, B, and see what I'm doing with the left hand to the A. Right hand to the F sharp. I'm also teaching that way because it will give you a chance to dive in on what is happening. I'm going to go ahead and demonstrate what some learners do. This helps them. They break it down. So they simply will work on this first. D, E, F sharp, and they think, okay, and they reset. You want to condition your mind and body doing that. Right hand, thumb to G, thumb to G. Good. And then if they're ready, they continue. Go. Left hand to B. Here we go again. Right hand, thumb to G. Left hand, third finger to B. Finish. And even go slower if you need to. And then in time, you can speed it up and it'll be very comfortable. Here we go, descending. We're going to focus on the left hand first to the A. A lot of students have a hard time going backwards. That much again. D, C sharp, B, thumb under hand to A. There we go. If you get it, you can continue. G, right hand, third finger F sharp. Let's try the whole thing. Right hand, thumb to G. Left hand, third B. C sharp. Going down. Left hand, thumb to A. Right hand, third finger to F sharp. And I am hesitating like I'm learning it and I'm really thinking about accuracy. Believe it or not, if you just do that 1 or 2 times, you'll probably be able to do it with a steady beat. And that's why I have the play along. So let's start that. Quarter note. Quarter note. Both hands. Quarter note. Okay, this is where it's fun. You can improvise a little bit. I'll demonstrate first. Gonna keep it real simple, and we're gonna just think the first 5 notes. 3, 4, and. You try it. I'll try again. If that's too fast, rhythm-wise, try this. 2, 3, 4. See what I did there? I simply played this scale, changed the rhythm just a little bit. Don't forget up the left hand. 2, 3, 4. If that's too, yeah, that is too intimidating, don't worry about it, but it's really important to not just learn the scale, hear the scale, and then start playing around with it a little bit. That's motivation, you're getting the practice, and also you're speaking through your soul and you are being creative. That's really important. Thank you so much for listening and playing. Let me know how you're doing with this scale and if the play along helped. For now, I would recommend checking out the chord inversion video. And if you're ready, you can also check out some of the chords and accompaniment videos. Bye for now.